I'm so excited.
Why?
Well, one thing that excites me other than travel is food. I was in the UAE for some time, so I was really missing authentic Indian and Pakistani food. And today, we're gonna have an all-you-can-eat Indian and Pakistani buffet. So excited. Starving. Thank you. So cute. Ooh, they have papadums. I have the different chutney. And that's the spicy thing. And I think that's yogurt. Oh, it's spicy. And they have butter chicken and chicken biryani. Oh my gosh. They got some keema and maharaja. So good. It smells so good. And they have some chicken tikka and kebab, which is my favorite. Ooh, can't believe the smell, guys. It's so good. Oh, the naan bread. Naan bread. Perfect. Freshly made. And they have the pakora and the tandoori flour for the vegetarians. Ooh, so yummy. They got black chickpeas and vegetable biryani for the vegetarians. The smell is awesome. I feel like I'm back in UAE and eating loads of Indian Pakistani dishes. They have the paneer, eggplant potato. So excited! So excited. First impression when I went in, the decor is amazing. It's cozy and inviting. And the service, the staff was so nice, guiding us to the table. And it's so clean. And if you can hear this in Indian background, like no, I mean Indian music. It's wonderful. So I feel like it's gonna be a good buffet. And I just checked out the food. So exciting. I'm gonna get papadum. Yes, and this. This one is for the biryani. And you get the mango. Jam, a bit of jam. And then this is for the mango chutney. So cucumbers. Start with when you start to eat the spicy foods. Of course, we have to get the chicken. Butter chicken is my favorite. You should get that one. Love butter chicken. Hope I don't make a mess. And then we got the biryani, of course. Chicken biryani, one of my favorite. Chicken biryani, my favorite. And the chicken tikka. So exciting. I don't eat lamb, but I love chicken tikka. Let's get that one. And we need some naan bread. I miss naan. Let's try the biryani first. Biryani, and I've got all the sauces here. I love the spices. So happy. Do you like it? Oh, it's really spicy. You like the spiciness of that? The green one? The green sauce? The butter chicken. This is proper butter chicken, baby.
Beautiful.
naan bread. Put it with your butter chicken. You eat it with the butter chicken and the sauce. You know the naan bread, you can scoop it with the sauce and the butter chicken. Yeah. The bread is freshly made. Let's try the chicken tikka. Put some sauce. Did you try the lamb tikka? There's a lamb tikka there. I know you like that one. I'm happy. The chicken tikka tastes the hit of Indian spices. Chicken tikka has milder flavor, but if you eat it, it has this little bit of spiciness in the back of your throat. Not as in your face spicy with full of flavors back in the Middle East, but it is good enough. I'm so happy. It's perfect with the lips of yogurt. And I don't really know what this green thing is, but it's kind of spicy. So good. The butter chicken. I love Australia, but sometimes the Indian food, Indian restaurants here are not as authentic as they can be. But this butter chicken, is 10 out of 10. It has a sweetness that you would just need, not too sweet. It's really the same flavor back in if I go to these Indian restaurants in the Middle East. Very authentic butter chicken. I love it. And if you use the naan bread, freshly made, so impressed with the naan bread. Sometimes the buffets, they have this very stale, not really stale, but not fresh naan bread. I saw that there's a couple of them, so maybe I think they make it fresh every time. So you just cook it with the chicken. Let's see. Good flavor. The biryani is really good with this yogurt mixture and green thingy. It's really good to eat it like that. I'm impressed for now. And then we have this papadum. I know I shouldn't eat it like this, but I love it. And sometimes I put chutney in it. This chutney. I love it. I know you're supposed to crush the papadum in the biryani to add it more texture, but I love eating it plain. Did you try this one?
Was it good?
It's tangy. It's spicy and tangy. I love it.
So this is authentic?
In my palate, it is. Because back in India, there's a really large Indian community, and the restaurants there can be arranged of what are a hole in the wall restaurant, like very small restaurants, to the luxury restaurants that serve Indian cuisine. This is really authentic flavor. After this, I'll try the vegetable dishes. Vegetarian. Let's try all of them slowly. Just take one small one. I'm sweating. You know why?
Why?
It's spicy. That's the food.
That's a rice pudding as part of buffet.
Okay.
In Hindi we call kheer.
Here. Okay. Ooh, and it has rose, a flower, and pistachio.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Are you Indian?
No.
Oh, you're from Nepal. Ooh, I love Nepal. I've been there. Went to Pokhara, Kathmandu, and around. Yeah, and walk up the. There's this from Pokhara. You walk. Yeah. Lovely people. Kathmandu crazy. Thank you.
It is actually, I don't think it's cold. It's the rice cake. It's sweet, but not too sweet. It's milky and creamy. And I can taste it's a little bit of rose, like flowery aroma in it. It's not too mushy like a pudding, but there's a little bit of texture in it. Really good in the palate. It's refreshing and it takes away all the spicy things that we ate. I think the aromas that we ate earlier, it just takes that away and it's very refreshing. Really yummy dessert.
So what's your rating of this restaurant?
First location, 505. It's in the Darling Harbor, which is an expensive area. It's just right by one of the major tourist attractions. And very easily accessible because Darling Harbor is accessible. Service, 505. They're so nice. They came here to check on us. It's not a bother. Everything is not bother. Food variety. It's a limited option, but I can say that they're top quality. They have vegetarian, non-vegetarian options, and they have the best dishes of the Indian Pakistani cuisine. They don't have everything. They don't have this massive spread, if you can see, but it is quite enough that it is one of those best dishes they put out, and it's quite heavy. Quality is better. I think it's one of the most yummiest Indian Pakistani food that I had here so far when I'm in Australia. I especially love the butter chicken. Butter chicken was fantastic. The fresh bread and that was fantastic. So I think it's not about the quantity here, it's about the quality. Value, 505 for value. This was only $25. It's all you can eat. I had 2 plates and Adam has 2 plates. And you got water for free, and we have a dessert which is rice pudding. So I would say it's 505. It's good value for money. You would think that this place is expensive because it's Darling Harbor. It's a major tourist attraction. But it's $35 for everything. One dish, if you get outside, go to the other restaurant, it will cost you more than $20 for one dish. Even an Indian dish, it's a butter chicken.